Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today we're going to talk about the Texas window trends. What are the biggest ones? Well, let's talk about that. Okay, so I've spent some time out in Texas, right? I went out to Dallas, have a bunch of friends out there. I did a lot of meet and greets, and it was really, really cool seeing the different styles of windows that are out there. And it's very simple. It's almost amazing how simple it is. I spent a lot of time in the Frisco, the Colony area, and then Carrollton, and it was just really, really cool what the houses looked like. They look massive. Downtown Dallas, Arlington, you'll see areas where like you have the older style houses and they're still brick. Cool looking, right? So I'm like, well, how would you go about doing a replacement there? And the thing that was true among all these houses were the type of windows that were in them. And for some reason, single hung windows and double hung windows are huge in Texas. And casements, you will get some sliding, horizontal sliding windows, but what you're really gonna find is a lot of single hung windows. It's pretty crazy to me. What's crazy about Texas is their weather. You go in the afternoon and it's clear, and then all of a sudden you look at the distance and you're like, oh, clouds are coming in and now you're getting rained on, and then the rain goes away and you're back to sunshine. I'm like, man, what a trip. What I'm finding is that the casement windows are going to be the best, I think, in Texas area. Single hungs are fantastic, double hungs are amazing, casements are huge, and here's why. Winds. There is some serious winds that come through that area, and I was thinking every day that I was there, except for one, we had at least a good 20 to 30 knot wind, and it was consistent. I was like, dang, it's windy over here, right? You wanna go with a casement, awning, picture windows, things like that, because, well, for one, you're gonna get a lot of airflow when you want it and need it, escapability in case of an emergency. They lock up tight. So when those things close, you have the compression seal, and then you have the mohair weather stripping, which presses against the window frame. Really, really good. And then you have a tie rod locking mechanism, so when you pull that lock down, it cinches it in. It's an amazing window system. So you could be really windy outside, you have your casement windows and you don't feel nothing. And you probably won't hear anything either because you probably have sound packaged glass in your new windows. Great, right? So picture windows, casements are the best against air infiltration. It's going to be. And obviously what you find in Texas is a lot of arched windows. And the front of the houses, they look magnificent. So you have massive arched windows, and well, that's obviously going to be part of it, right? But what's underneath it, the stuff that's actually operating, are going to be what I'm talking about. All right, guys, make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.